Mike Evans,
Ian
Shaw,
Shaw. We're both trustees with Pembrokeshire Mencap.
Can you tell me a bit about the work that you do for Pembrokeshire Mencap?
Well, these days we largely run a 6-acre wall garden, which includes horticultural training and experience, mingling with the public, and that's been on the book of the work for the last 10 years, I should think. About 3 years ago we decided to build a new centre and expand our range of activity, and Mike, who was treasurer, came in as project manager for that particular piece of development. So you can talk about development pretty good.
We've spent four years hard labour on developing a straw bale building which will house a cafe and a shop and toilet facilities for the public.
And what does it mean to the group to win the Wales Volunteer of the Year award today?
Well, hopefully, we're displaying our trophy and getting some good publicity from the event today, and encourage other people to come and join us.